Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you the Quasar Airdrop. This is a very important airdrop, it's a very interesting project, and you only have 3 days left before the mainnet. The mainnet is actually the same date that Arbitrum airdrop. At the 23rd of March, this project is going to go live into mainnet, and they are going to do an airdrop for the early testers. So if we test the application right now, we probably are going to be in that list of testnet users. Like always in my videos, if this is your first time, I always explain a little bit about the project, and then I show you a step by step on how to apply it and do everything in this project in order to get the maximum possibility for this airdrop. So stay tuned, because we are going to check how this project works and everything about Quasar and why diversify your crypto in this project is really a very good idea. And guys, don't forget my subscriptions. The Discord is exploding. We are doing and covering many airdrops there, distributions, new airdrops, and I couldn't get all the bugs that I will get for Arbitrum without my application. I apply with 12 wallets, and my app will help you to manage all that, because if not, it's a hell and chaos to manage all the airdrops. So check my subscriptions. And before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, in this video we are going to cover Quasar Finance. And if you are a follower of the channel, I just want to mention that I am not using the camera because I am traveling in Europe, so I don't have my usual setup. Quasar is a very interesting project. This is a decentralized app chain enabling interchain digital asset management. So to explain that, is a digital asset can be anything, from digital certificates, authentication codes, to functionable or not functionable tokens or NFTs. Management can be anything that one would like to do with the digital asset, such as save, co-manage, crowdsource, or crowdlend. Quasar offers a transparent, secure, and governable platform to build general-purpose management containers, what we call vaults. And Quasar will be launching their mainnet on March 23, and they have confirmed to launch an O token called Quasar and do an airdrop to early testnet users. Of course, we are only 2-3 days from the date. I am not 100% that we are going to be early testers doing this right now, but I think the chances are big, and what you need to do is actually really easy. So you are going to be able to do it in 10-15 minutes and have the chance to get this token. So in order to accomplish all this, we are going to use the testnet. But like always guys, I recommend you to do and follow my steps. The step 1 is follow them on Twitter. The step 2 is follow them on Discord. You are going to need the Discord especially for this, and also the Twitter. In Twitter they already have 37k followers. The project is actually already legit to this point. They are launching the product, and I don't think there are many products like this one. So you can do your own research, of course, but for the testnet it's really easy. This is a project launched on Cosmos ecosystem. I know that I have many followers of Cosmos. I really like this too. Follow the Twitter first, then follow the Discord. You are going to need it to put your feedback here at the end of the steps. Now, after you do those two things, the step 3 is you need to get your Keplr wallet. This is a Cosmos ecosystem wallet, and Keplr is one of the available wallets for this. So here is the link of the official webpage of Keplr. So add it to your new wallet, create your wallet. It's like MetaMask, you are going to have your seed phrase and everything. I am not going to explain that, but if you are not so familiar with that, you can just Google how to install Keplr, create your wallet. But again, it's the same like any other of extensions for your browser. You can see guys, I am here on my Keplr wallet, so I will just go to Cosmos Hub. To add the network, you are going to see it in the next steps. So now we go to step 4, which is go to the testnet page. So click the link there, that will send you here. And here then we go to step 5, which is clicking the connect and automatically you will be pumped with your Keplr connection and add it to the Quasar network testnet. So here we are, click on connect wallet. You can see I am asked to add the Quasar testnet to Keplr, so I will check everything here, but it's all safe, so click on approve and there you go, you are already connected there. In order to confirm this, it's very easy. You click here and down here you go to the testnet wallet. You can see we are in Quasar testnet, so click there and here you can see that you have your Quasar wallet ID. So this is important because you are going to need it for this. Now step 6, you need to get their testnet tokens from this faucet. So you have two options. If you use the Discord option, check the steps on the pinned comments. But the easiest way is do it with the first option. So once you are logged in here, click on Faucet. You can go to use the Faucet link 1, which is when you arrive to Stakely site, you need to connect your wallet and request tokens. So let's do that. This will send you here. Here you need to click on Keplr, get your wallet address, put your address here and click I'm not a robot. Guys, these addresses that I am showing are only for the purpose of the video, so I don't care if you try to hack them. You will not find any funds there, so don't waste any of your time. Now click on verify, click on keep my Twitter user private. This will send a Twitter, so it will send a Twitter and it will give you these three types of tokens: USR, Osmo and AYY. So click on tweet. You can confirm here and send the tweet. Of course, this is going to connect with your Twitter account, so I'll accept all that and send the tweet, and you automatically it's going to send you the tokens to your wallet. The other option is from the link of Discord. This doesn't always work super fine, but you can check it. Go to Testnet Faucet channel. So you go to Discord, you go to Testnet Faucet down here, and here check the pinned comment. So you need to type !Faucet, the token and the address. So the examples are here. !Faucet Osmo and then your wallet. And the same for each of these tokens. And remember, you can only use the faucet one time each 24 hours. So after doing this and doing the Twitter, you will have funds and you will have tokens. You can see here how other people do it. So basically when you are done with that, you need to go to step 7, which is use the app. So now you need to go back to the testnet page and click on Explore Vault. Click on Bound and bond the tokens. Try to bond multiple times. You go to Explore Vault, click on Bond, and once you have tokens, guys, I really don't have any right now because I have been using all the tokens that I have, but basically you can put any amount here that you have available, let's say 0.01, and like you know, I don't have tokens, but that will put the same amount in each of these, and then you click in deposit, and that will be all. You are going to be bonding these 3 tokens into the application. Very, very easy to do. Try to bond a couple of times, then you also can unbond after you have bonds here on your vault, but you have some locking periods, of course, and you can do withdrawals. That will be all that you need to do here and test. Of course, you need the 3 tokens, Faucet tokens, that I already explained the 2 ways to get them, but you only can do it once per 24 hours. And after that, guys, the step 8 is leave the feedback comment with your wallet on their Discord. So in their Discord you can see that they have a testnet feedback, so you also can write something here. Everything went well, great UI and user friendly, and put your wallets there. And guys, that will be all for the airdrop, for the step by step. Keep an eye on the Discord channel, all the news are there, and in the Twitter of Quasar Finance. Guys, remember, all these airdrops are automatically set on my application, so when you're seeing this video, that means that you are able to apply to this airdrop in my app in a very easy way. All the steps are there, so you just need to apply. It's very easy to do, and you have the subscription to my Discord. Both things are the best tools that I have seen in the market for airdrop hunters. So if you really want to do another step here, and guys, for Arbitrum, I will be collecting very big bags of tokens. So if you really want to do that too, I really recommend you to use my app. And my Discord, of course, it will help you to be up to date with all the news on each of the projects that we apply for airdrops, and you will know more airdrops than that I cover in this channel or many other YouTubers or Twitter accounts. So guys, that is all for this video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and don't forget to follow me at CryptoState. This is my Twitter account, CryptoState, where I cover not only different airdrops or more information, you also can see my shorts there, and I put some news about the crypto space in general, things that are happening, so we need to know about fundamentals and all that. So keep an eye on my CryptoState Twitter account. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.